Riri mbura ya muniko irathie na mbere guthandana na gucungirira miyuro ya mai ria thukangite indo cia mabilioni ma mbeca, gucungirira ikuo na gutiga family makiria ma 300,000 matari na wikaro. Ngwataniro ya Azimio riu ni ikumithitie thirikari ni kwaga kwanirira miyuro eno ta ugwati wa kibũrũri. Kuringana na ndumirire rekereirio ni mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka, handu-ini ha atongoria aru nake Azimio yugite kwanirwo kwa miyuro eno ta ugwati wa kibũrũri, niguo guteithiriria thirikari kuhota kuhuthira kigina makiria gutangikira maundu ma hinahi, gutangikira aria mahutitio ni miyuro eno atangikorwo kigina giki ni kihuthiritwo na njira iria itagireire.
This is a sign of an incompetent government with no regard for its citizens. With all the widespread disruptions witnessed, the Kenya Kwanza regime is reluctant to declare the floods a national disaster so that it can get the adequate response needed. We are aware that such a declaration will automatically call for the expenditure from the country's contingency fund. Could it be that there is no money in the contingency fund? If no money, who has expended the money and on what?
Kalonzo ni ongereire kuga thirikari rikoretwo igitangikira aria mahutitio ni miyuro eno ria kwagiriire na kigina gia ciringi 10,000 kiria thirikari irenanire kuri o family iria ihutitio ni miyuro eno kaunti-ini ya Nairobi ni kinini muno na gutiri undu kingicenjia miturire-ini yao.
For the families who have lost everything, such allocations are too little to start afresh. We demand that the government increase the financial support to at least 100,000 shillings per family and immediately launch an emergency aid appeal for all the flood victims in Kenya.
Riu ni moritie thirikari itabanie mihang'o iria irathie na mbere ya guthamia andu aria maikaraga kuria kungigomerwo ni miyuro ya mai na njira ya umundu na ikirire kugathika mitaratara ya kuhitana na mogwati ta maya gukahanika matuko mokite. Oho Azimio ni uritie ambunge mamurike na kinyi mutaratara wa watho wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2024 kuona ni wendekithitie nyongerera makiria cia magoti kuri muingi wa bururi uria urathie na mbere na kuhatiririka kumana na nyongerera cia magoti cia mwaka muhituku.
And the coming finance bill 2024, which is bound to introduce a new wave of taxes with disastrous consequences for ordinary Kenyans who are already suffering from the current high cost of living. Indeed, we conclude that Kenya Kwanza is so far a disastrous regime.
Na makimurika gikuo kia uria urari munene wa mbirarũ General Francis Ogora, Azimio riu ni yendekithitie kumboga kamiti ya mwanya ya bunge guthuthuria kiria giacungirire mutino wa ndege iria yamukuite, kuona uthuthuria urathie na mbere ugitabanio ni mbirarũ ndurakuruhania muingi.
The ongoing investigations by the Kenya Air Force is a limited internal affair that does not satisfy the requirement of an open, transparent, independent and credible investigation.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.